Thanks again for placing an order with us. So here's what happens now. Your order has been processed and sent to the factory. Once it's in the hands of the factory, it's next to impossible to make changes to it. So if you need to make changes, let us know right away. Next, your order goes to production and then it's shipped out. Once it's shipped out, you'll receive an email from us as to when you can expect delivery. If the order does not arrive when we tell you it's going to arrive, please let us know right away so we can start tracing where your order is. When your order arrives, open up all the boxes and inspect everything to make sure everything's okay. There's not going to be any invoices in the boxes. Your invoice is going to arrive via email. Lastly, if you need to make any changes to your ship-to address while the order is in transit, the shipping carriers charge up to $25 per box to make a change to the ship-to address while the order is in transit. So if you could avoid that, if at all possible, please do so. Thanks again for placing an order with us.